Here's our 2025 predictions. One, interest rates. Interest rates are always a hot topic in real estate, and for a good reason. They shape buyer activity and influence home values. Predicting the rates is challenging though, especially with the Federal Reserve's next moves are uncertain, but here's what homeowners in Academy D20 should know for 2025. Rates, currently around 7%, could drop into the mid 5% range, but a more likely outcome is the high 5s or low 6 range. The Federal Reserve has signaled plans for rate cuts extending into 2025, which could inject positive momentum into the market. Stability in the bond market, where mortgage rates often track about 1.75% higher than the 10-year Treasury yield, could help ease rates further if today's 3% gap narrows. Political factors may also come into play. Former and future President Trump has expressed a desire to lower rates and could take an effective role with the Fed should his policies influence market dynamics. However, inflation from potential tax cuts or tariffs might keep rates closer to 7%. Historically, rates hovered near 6% during his previous presidency, but rose post-election despite Fed rate-cutting efforts. For home sellers in Colorado Springs, especially in Academy D20 school district, a drop in the rates to the 5 to 6% range would absolutely fuel demand, creating a hot real estate market. Keeping an eye on those trends will be essential to maximizing your selling strategy and capitalize on favorable conditions. 2025 predictions number 2, home sales. The number of homes sold nationally each year gives us valuable insight into the real estate market, and 2025 is shaping up to be a year of recovery and growth. For context, 2023 and 2024 each saw approximately 4 million homes sold nationwide, a figure that represents the minimum annual sales regardless of market conditions. During the COVID boom, that number peaked around 6 million homes annually. In 2025, home sales are expected to climb closer to 5 million, driven by post-election confidence and improving market conditions. A significant portion of buyers, around 25%, have indicated they were waiting until after the election to make a move, which is already boosting activity. If interest rates drop to the 5.5% range as predicted, we could see even stronger momentum. This would help ease the rate lock effect where sellers are hesitant to move because they don't want to give up their lower mortgage rates. And if this happens, national sales could climb as high as 5.25 million homes, supported by sufficient inventory to meet that increased demand. However, if inflation rises and rates remained around 7%, sales could hold steady at the 4 million baseline. For homeowners in Academy D20 school district, understanding these dynamics is critical. A growing market in 2025 could mean more buyers and opportunities to maximize your home's values. 2025 predictions number 3, home values. Home values in Colorado Springs are expected to follow a positive trajectory in 2025 with the potential for steady growth. If interest rates drop and home sales increase, we could see property values return to a more typical annual appreciation rate of around 5%. Even with current rates near 7%, home values in the area have remained stable. Should rates decrease to the 6% range, a normalized appreciation of 3 to 4% is likely. However, with a surge in demand from buyers who have been waiting on the sidelines, home value growth could push close to 5%. If rates dip further into the mid 5% range, the resulting boost in buyer activity may drive home values to double-digit increases, fueled by that heightened competition. For homeowners in D20, these trends highlight the importance of timing and strategy in 2025. A growing market and favorable conditions could create significant opportunities to maximize your home's value while attracting motivated buyers. 2025 predictions number 4, rent prices. The rental market in Colorado Springs may see some significant shifts in 2025, with rental prices for apartment complexes anticipated to drop by about 5% and possibly up to 10% in the short term. This decrease is driven by a surplus of new apartment complexes, leading to an oversupply of rental units. While this may temporarily benefit renters, it highlights the long-term advantages of home ownership. Unlike renting, owning a home allows individuals to build wealth through appreciation, tax benefits, and paying down their mortgage principal. Renters, even at reduced rates, contribute to their landlord's equity without gaining any for themselves. Historically, rents tend to increase over time, and any temporary decrease in 2025 will likely be followed by future hikes. In contrast, a fixed 30-year mortgage ensures consistent principal and interest payments, providing stability and long-term savings apart from changes in taxes and insurance. Locally, Colorado Springs faces a unique mix of tenant-friendly laws and a growing inventory of apartments, creating a short-term relief for renters, but potential challenges for landlords. For property investors, renewing leases in 2025 may be a smarter strategy than listing properties at competitive lower rents. Additionally, as interest rates drop, some renters may transition into home ownership, further reducing demand for rentals. For sellers in Academy D20 School District, these trends underscore the value of promoting the financial benefits of homeownership to prospective buyers. As rental pressures ease, more individuals may be motivated to leave renting behind and enter the market as first-time buyers, creating new opportunities to sell your home. 2025 prediction number 5, Space Command stays in Colorado Springs. Let's talk about prediction number 5. There's been a lot of political discussion surrounding this topic, but I believe Space Command will stay in Colorado Springs. It just makes sense to keep Space Command in Colorado Springs. It's near Space Force, and Colorado Springs is quickly becoming the hub for cybersecurity. Plus, who wouldn't want to live in Colorado versus Alabama? For the real estate market, this would have a major impact in the coming years. With an anticipated annual economic impact of over $1 billion, Space Command's location would likely drive sustained growth in the Colorado Springs area. Bonus prediction for 2025. Now for the bonus prediction you've been waiting for. Christine Callender's real estate team will help more than 100 clients buy or sell their home in 2025. In addition to that, they're going to make an even bigger impact for Partners in Housing, which is a worthy cause in Colorado Springs, benefiting Colorado Springs' hidden homeless. A big thank you to all our clients for your continued trust and support. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in 2025, we would love to help you achieve your real estate goals. Contact us at 719-351-1326 to experience our signature 5-star service.